This plane full of passengers fell into the sea at a depth of 100 meters. Luckily, the cabin did not fill with water, due to which all the passengers survived, but they did not know that the plane was in a deep sea, and if the oxygen inside the plane runs out, then everyone's life can be in danger. Due to being far from the ground, the communication equipment of the plane was not catching the signal, and the airport had no information about the plane crash. These people were trapped inside the plane and there was no way to get out. Then a man saw that water was leaking from the glass and coming in. Seeing this, the man gets scared, so they decided to do something quickly. Then the pilot takes a risky decision that he himself wants to take the signal receiver to the surface above the 100-meter deep sea so that he can send a message to the rescue workers. Everyone sitting in the plane knew that this is very dangerous. Because the body parts can break due to the pressure of water, that is why the pilot and his assistant immediately wear safety jackets, because every second was very precious. The passengers had closed the cabin door, and when the pilot opened the door of the plane, water came in with high pressure, and in a moment the cabin was filled with water. In order to save the life of the assistant who had become unconscious, the pilot took off his oxygen mask and put it on the assistant's mouth. But then the pilot saw that the assistant was not breathing, from which he understood that due to the pressure of water, his internal organs had suffered severe injuries, due to which he had died. The pilot immediately turns and starts going out because he also has to save other passengers who were waiting for help. Then the pilot, without stopping, comes near the door of the plane and opens the bag of the signal receiver and releases a small boat filled with gas which went straight to the surface of the water. At the same time, the pilot was also swimming up. Luckily, he reaches the surface at the right time as he was about to suffocate. He quickly boards a small boat and sends a signal by pressing the emergency button, after which he starts waiting for the emergency team to arrive. After a while, a Navy ship receives the emergency signal. They immediately send a team to rescue them. The pilot is quickly rescued. The pilot then tells the captain of the ship that his plane is lying at the bottom of the ocean and all the passengers are trapped inside it. On hearing this, the captain immediately deploys his entire navy to search for the plane. And after a lot of efforts, the rescue team finally finds the crashed plane. These people could not believe that people are still alive under this deep sea. Then the rescue team realizes that the water pressure is very high. If the plane breaks, then all the water of the sea will fill the cabin, due to which all the passengers will die in the plane itself. To save them, they make another plan. They tie empty balloons covered with thick sheets on each end of the plane and connect pipes to the balloons to inflate them. Then, when all the preparations were done, all the people moved away from the plane. After that, on the orders of the captain, the rescue team immediately started the inflation pumps, which started filling the balloons with gas, and when all the balloons were inflated, the plane slowly started rising. But suddenly the cabin door broke due to the turbulence and all the seawater started filling the cabin. The passengers could not do anything without any rescue. If the plane did not reach the surface within 2 minutes, everyone would die of suffocation. Therefore, the rescue team increased the pressure of the pump, due to which the plane soon started coming above the water. Then all the rescue workers immediately ran towards the plane and took out the passengers one by one.